Naniniwala ka rin ba na kahit gaano ka kabusog, there should always be room for dessert? Hey foodies! Singapore's #1 ice cream brand is finally here in the Philippines. I've been hearing a lot of positive feedbacks about others' ice cream and lagi ko tong nadadaanan sa ground level ng SM North The Block. Kaya tinry ko na din. Ang daming flavors na pagpipilian. Kaya kung naguguluhan ka, pwedeng-pwede ka mag-free taste bago bumili. I tried their Baileys and Bourbon. It has a strong taste since it has alcohol content. Their hazelnut is so yummy din and sakto lang yung tamis. I also like their local flavor na Guimaras mango and it's made of real mango. But what really caught my attention was their holiday exclusive na peppermint cookie crunch. That's 139 pesos for one scoop. And I added 40 pesos for their waffle bowl. Sobrang nagustuhan ko to because of that minty freshness that made it a refreshing and cool dessert. They also make their own cones, kaya you can be sure na fresh and very crispy yung sinaserve nila everyday. I also want to try their apple crumble flavor na holiday exclusive din. Unfortunately, hindi siya available dito sa branch na to. And for as low as 65 pesos ay makakabili ka na nga with their classic flavors. They also offer double combo flavors. Pili na lang kayo sa menu kung anong combo yung gusto nyo. Kaya kung mahilig kayo sa ice cream, try nyo na rin tong others and for sure magugustuhan nyo din. Enjoy!